First of all, we sincerely hope this never happens to anyone, but if, God forbid, you were sexually assaulted in a rideshare vehicle like an Uber, the first thing you're going to want to do is call the police and make sure that you take care of yourself and get the appropriate medical care that you need. So whether that involves a rape kit or just calling the police and making sure that it got reported, those are really important things because they're going to help make sure that you also get the medical treatment that you need. I can't emphasize enough that what we do here is very important work, but I can't make your health better. So take care of your health, and then step 2 is you think about us. You want to explore your legal options, but your legal options become stronger if you have reported the incident to the police or to Uber to make sure that they know about the incident. And as soon as you are in a place where you are safe, you've spoken to someone, you are no longer worried for your personal safety, then pick up the phone and call us, and we can guide you through every step of the way. But we also want to make sure, and we have we can point you to mental health resources to make sure that you're getting the care that you need simultaneously with us pursuing your legal options. Sexual assault is one of those injuries that's just so impactful and personal that we go a little bit beyond the lawyer role, and we want to make sure, and we're always going to check on you, make sure that you're getting the medical treatment, the mental health treatment, and then the legal justice that you deserve.